Tornado Watch number 104, effective until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Indiana: Blackford, Delaware, Grant, Henry, Jay, Madison, and Randolph. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings.
First
Stay
alarm
tuned to know weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is NOAA All. The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Madison County, northwestern Delaware County, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:58 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Anderson, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Anderson, Alexandria, Chesterfield, Edgewood, Franklin, Eaton, Summitville, Gaston, Orestes, Country Club Heights, Woodlawn Heights, and River Forest.
Did I really just hear Northern Indiana location on an Indianapolis alert? I think that's rare. I just heard Northern Indiana location on Indy alert, which means this is probably going to be a doubleheader.
Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is
Oh, potentially tornadic.
move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure such as a basement or small interior room.
Let's hear if this is
For your
doubleheader.
protection, move to an interior room. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Grant County, Blackford County, southeastern Wells County in northeastern Indiana, southern Adams County in northeastern Indiana, northwestern Jay County, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:29 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Matthews, or 8 miles south of Upland, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include ping-pong ball-size hail and
Ping-pong!
per hour wind gusts. Severe weather has been confirmed by rain spotters.
Oh my
The following
gosh!
impacts are expected. People in
There's ping-pong-sized tail! For us!
Montpelier, Geneva, Pennville, Matthews, Nottingham,
Magic
Fowler,
spoons and ping-pong.
Shamrock Lake, Tornado.
Ping-pong-sized tail's one of the frets.
Domestic and Baltic.
Wait, so it got better? Because it
Interstate
originally
69 in Indiana between mile markers 252 and
Dude, it's
255.
just the storm that's
For your
severe.
protection, move
Not
to an interior
tornadic.
room on the
Okay,
lowest
that's
floor
good. That
of a
means it got
building.
better, bub.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm
Not every
warning
storm
has
could
been
be
issued
tornadic
until
in a
6:30
tornado
p.m.
watch.
Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana:
better,
Blackford, Grant, and Jay.
Do I have a point? Doubleheader! Tornado warning!
The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a tornado warning for northern Delaware County until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:31 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Matthews, or 9 miles south of Upland, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include
It's
tornado and hail.
dumping down rain right now. Whoa.
This is a radar-indicated.
It's hailing!
The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
This is a tornadic warned storm in Delaware.
Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur.
It's hailing, guys.
Damage is likely.
It is legit hailing.
The storm will be 40 p.m. Eastern
This is
Daylight Time.
incredible. Come look at what my weather radio is scrolling. Guess what it's scrolling?
45 and 200.
Tornado warning.
Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors
Oh,
in a mobile home,
that's at least severe
move to the closest
qualifications.
substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county:
This one
Delaware,
doesn't have much
Indiana.
memory. Please don't tell me it's a triple header. That would suck.
This is NOAA all has tornado warning for.
Okay, yeah, we're going to the bathroom. Tornado warning for us.
Northeastern Indiana, southern Adams County, and northeastern Indiana, northern
Reportedly,
County until 6:30 p.m. Eastern
they
Daylight
just
Time.
pushed it. The weather
At
channel says it's
5:44
for us.
p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a tornado was reported in Delaware County, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour.
That's gonna go just east of us.
A tornado has been confirmed by trained weather spotters.
That doesn't include us. False
Flying
alarm.
debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be
Yeah,
damaged.
but Shamrock Lakes is right there. So just outside of the warning.
We're in the warning.
No, we're just
Damage
outside
is
of it.
likely. The tornado will be near Dunkirk around 5:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Penville around 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Geneva around 6:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by tornadic
Seriously.
Salon, Mill Grove, Petroleum, Lynn Grove, and Domestic. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move
Boy,
to the
this
closest
escalated
substantial shelter
quickly.
and protect yourself from flying
The
debris.
thunderstorm advisories confirmation of
6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Blackford and Jay. A tornado warning remains in effect until
severe thunderstorm warning.
the National Weather Service in
As you can tell, it calmed down from the tornado warning.
Southern Madison County, northwestern Hancock County, northeastern
Finally, break from severe thunderstorms coming.
7:30 p.m. Eastern
But not after it already claimed 3 storm chasers' lives a few days ago in Texas, including the legend Kelly Williams.
miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
Seriously.
This is a radar indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to
That's the problem with that. Even though I said it's manual, it still tries this game for weather radio.
Carmel, Fishers, Noblesville, Lawrence, Westfield, McCordsville, Pendleton, Fort Hill,
Although I was not preparing to record so many alerts today, or even record a hail,
Forest, Rice Reservoir.
especially at ping pong size.
This includes
Hail.
Interstate 69.
You guys should definitely go check out that video. I will include my final annotation ever on YouTube on the top of the video.
Thunderstorm lines can produce
If
brief
you-
tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Come on, we're going to MUNCIE shortly,
Injury and significant
which means hopefully my 12-259 will keep repeating shooting for KJY 93 since it's located in MUNCIE.
Indiana, Hamilton,
And I think we're even heading to that part of MUNCIE as well.
The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Madison County, Delaware County,
You can barely
northwestern
hear,
Henry
I
County,
can barely
until
even
8
hear
p.m.
myself
Eastern Daylight
because
Time.
how loud it's
At
hailing
7:24 p.m.
slash
Eastern
raining.
Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Anderson, moving northeast at 45
I've already
miles
had
per
my
hour.
first ever
The
successful
second severe
doubleheader.
thunderstorm was just northwest of Yorktown,
It means
also
2
moving northeast at
EASs
45
in a
miles
row.
per
Then
hour.
there's triple headers, 3 EASs, quadruple headers.
Miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Pretty much
This is
goes
a
up.
radar indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected.
Well, I've never experienced anything higher than a single header, which is one EAS, until now, which now I have one double header. I won't fail double header, it's just gonna be a triple header.
Selma, Prairie Creek Reservoir, and Ball State University. This includes Interstate 69 between mile markers 226 and 242. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
After the storm, just look at these massive pieces of hail. Wow, I have never seen something like this. Have you? Besides the world's largest hailstorm in Kansas. Yeah, I just recorded double header, severe thunderstorm warning and tornado warning.